Bullish Bitcoin money cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $500.04 and $1,088.97 by 2030. Market experts accept BCH could reach $500.04 by 2025. Bearish Bitcoin money market cost expectation for 2022 is $88.90. Bitcoin money presentation. One of the most famous forks of the first Bitcoin network is Bitcoin money. The thought for the cryptographic money was motivated by despondency with where Bitcoin was taking, which was away from Satoshi Nakamoto's unique arrangement for it to work as a computerized cash. The making of Bitcoin money. What works more like a cash than a store of significant worth? Lighted a furious question between defenders of Bitcoin and other people who felt that Bitcoin should have been ready to exchange all the more rapidly and efficiently. Close to this time, a supposed nationwide conflict broke out, with allies of Bitcoin money dismissing Bitcoin and proclaiming it to as of now not be the genuine Bitcoin. It had a promising start, however, has encountered disturbance from that point onward. Despite the fact that Bitcoin money is intended to be a more valuable cash, devotees of digital currencies much of the time put resources into it. What is Bitcoin money? Not long before Bitcoin accomplished its past all-time high of $20,000 toward the finish of 2017. Bitcoin money was created. It extended the size of the blocks in the chain to empower more exchanges to rapidly be handled more. It's fascinating to take note of that the digital money split into Bitcoin money ABC and Bitcoin money SV in November 2018. This shows a readiness to keep Bitcoin and digital forms of money overall advancing. But BCH's forking was principally inspired by Bitcoin's 1 megabyte block size limitation. Since blocks couldn't oblige the expansion in size for exchanges stacked up and sat tight for affirmation. Accordingly, Bitcoin money proposed making blocks between 8 megabytes and 32 megabytes in size, considering the handling of additional exchanges per block. In a Bitcoin block, there are normally somewhere in the range of 1,000 and 1,500 exchanges. 25,000 exchanges for each block were recorded on the Bitcoin money network during a pressure test in September 2018. The person behind this fork, Roger Ver, has been advancing the idea that Satoshi Nakamoto, who designed Bitcoin, was liable for having a computerized cash that could work under pressure. The adjustment of Bitcoin's block size, according to Ver and defenders of Bitcoin money, will make it workable for clients to involve Bitcoin as a mechanism for customary exchanges and allow it an opportunity to rival huge MasterCard handling organizations like Visa that charge extreme expenses to handle worldwide exchanges. Bitcoin money central examination. For most of its presence, Bitcoin money clutched the main 10 monetary standards by market cap, but it has of late lost that position. The cost of the cash doesn't actually come near that of Bitcoin. Even at its pinnacle, only a couple of days after Bitcoin outperformed $20,000, it simply figured out how to reach $3,643. All through its most memorable year, Bitcoin money's cost vacillated fiercely. However, after the finish of 2018 and up until this point, the cost has been less inconsistent yet principally moving lower. In somewhere around 2 months of beginning its cost history in August 2017 at $573, Bitcoin money has hit its unsurpassed high. Following that $3,000 plus top, the cost of Bitcoin money tumbled to a low of $77 per BCH, and toward the finish of 2020 it had barely bounced back to reach generally $350. Bitcoin money specialized investigation. Cost likewise fell under another lower low after a negative breakout from the sideways channel, confirming a downtrend. Close the $100 support, it is oversold, proposing a potential passage point for a swing exchange. There is a declining propensity on all time scales, including short, medium, and long haul. MACD line is over the MACD signal line. Yet RSI is under 45, hence force is blended. The MACD histogram bars are lessening, which could show a deficiency of energy. Overall volume is level, implying that it changes similarly on unpredictable days. Thus, the harmony among purchaser and dealer interest and supply is accomplished. Backing and obstruction. $100 is the nearest backing zone. $150 is the nearest obstruction zone, trailed by $200, $280, and $340. Bitcoin money current cost. Bitcoin money is at present worth $111.12 USD. ECH has moved 0.26% as of now with an exchanging volume of $178,555,943. Bitcoin money is at present position 31 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $2,118,637,850 USD. Bitcoin money value forecast 2022. Bitcoin money, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The BCH cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $166.66. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $155.55 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progression. BCH is supposed to have a base worth of $133.33. Bitcoin money value expectation 2023. In 2023, Bitcoin money BCH cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of BCH will before long outperform $277.77. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the BCH's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, BCH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $222.22 and a typical exchanging cost of $244.44. Bitcoin money value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $388.88 and BCH might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. BCH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $355.55 and a low of $333.33 in 2024. Bitcoin money value expectation 2025. Assuming Bitcoin money effectively helps market feeling among digital currency aficionados, the BCH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, BCH will be green in 2025. The BCH is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $499.99, with a base cost of $444.44 and a typical cost of $466.66. Bitcoin money value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the BCH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $577.77 by 2026, with a base cost of $555.55 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, BCH has a most extreme value worth of $611.10. Bitcoin money value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $688.88. In the event that BCH figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $722.21. Neglecting to assemble the help BCH needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $666.66. Bitcoin money value expectation 2028. While BCH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication,